What if billions of discarded coconut husks could be transformed into soft, comfortable clothes? Today, we'll uncover the complete factory process.
Watch as tough coconut husks are crushed, cleaned, refined, softened, and transformed into high-quality coconut fibers.
Next, precision weaving machines create beautiful fabric, which is softened, finished, cut into garment patterns.
From discarded coconut husks to premium eco-friendly clothing, this incredible journey showcases every stage of.
The lightweight coconut fiber fabric offers exceptional comfort, making it ideal for everyday wear. Every year, billions of coconut husks are discarded around the world, but inside modern factories, they begin an
Automated transportation systems ensure a continuous supply of raw coconut husks every single day. Hydraulic unloading equipment transfers the husks directly onto high-capacity conveyor systems. The process starts as enormous quantities of coconut husks arrive at advanced textile processing facilities. The husks begin moving through one of the world's most advanced coconut fiber processing lines.
Artificial intelligence instantly checks every husk for quality before processing begins. Precision robotic systems sort millions of husks with remarkable accuracy. Only the highest quality coconut husks continue into the production process.
Before fiber extraction, every husk is thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and impurities. High-pressure air systems prepare the husks for the next manufacturing stage. The husks are washed using advanced water recycling technology for maximum cleanliness. Continuous washing removes remaining contaminants while conserving water. Now the clean husks are ready for the most important transformation. Powerful decortication machines begin separating the valuable coconut fibers from the husk. Millions of natural fibers are extracted every hour through automated engineering. Precision separators isolate only the finest fibers for textile production. Nothing goes to waste, as every remaining material is prepared for recycling. The extracted fibers continue deeper into the automated factory. Each batch is carefully monitored to maintain consistent fiber quality. Fine screening systems eliminate every remaining piece of shell. Multiple inspection technologies guarantee exceptionally pure coconut fiber. The fibers receive another deep cleaning before textile refinement. Continuous motion ensures every fiber is evenly cleaned. Heavy-duty rollers remove excess water while recycling every possible drop. Carefully controlled drying prepares the fibers for softening. Precise temperatures protect the natural strength of every fiber. Smart sensors continuously optimize the drying process. After drying, the fibers become lighter and easier to refine. The fibers are opened and loosened to prepare for advanced textile processing. Mechanical opening creates a uniform fiber structure for premium yarn. Airflow technology arranges the fibers into perfectly even layers. Automated combing improves softness and prepares the fibers for spinning.
Every strand is aligned to achieve a consistent textile quality. Refining technology further enhances flexibility and texture. Successive roller systems transform coarse fibers into soft textile fibers. Every refined fiber is checked before entering yarn production. The prepared fibers are stored temporarily before spinning begins. The next stage will transform these natural fibers into strong textile yarn. In the next stage, billions of coconut fibers will be spun into yarn, the foundation of soft, sustainable clothing. The refined coconut fibers now enter the spinning department, where they begin their transformation into textile yarn. Automated feed systems ensure a perfectly controlled fiber supply. Carding machines align millions of fibers into a consistent structure. This alignment process is essential for producing strong, high-quality yarn. The fibers now move as organized sheets, ready for further refinement. Drawing machines improve consistency by equalizing fiber thickness. Combining multiple strands creates greater uniformity. Advanced sensors monitor every millimeter of material. Controlled tension prevents damage and preserves fiber quality. Special softening processes make the naturally coarse fibers comfortable for clothing. Moisture conditioning improves flexibility and softness. The fibers become easier to spin and weave. Mechanical polishing enhances the texture even further. The next stage prepares the fibers for final yarn production. Roving creates an intermediate material before spinning. Each roving is carefully wound for efficient processing. Automation keeps production moving continuously. Now the actual yarn-making process begins. Rapid twisting locks millions of fibers together. Modern spinning systems can produce enormous quantities of yarn every day. The finished yarn is wound into compact cones for inspection. Automated quality control identifies even the smallest imperfections. Only premium yarn proceeds to fabric manufacturing. The yarn is now ready to become fabric. Large-scale storage ensures a steady supply for weaving operations. Smart inventory systems deliver materials exactly when needed. Warping prepares thousands of yarn threads for weaving. Every thread must be positioned with extreme precision. This organized arrangement forms the foundation of the fabric. Precise tension control prevents defects during weaving. The prepared yarn beams move toward the weaving department. Automation eliminates delays and improves efficiency.
Ahead lies one of the most impressive stages in the entire process.
The yarn is positioned for fabric creation.
Every thread is carefully prepared before weaving begins. Powerful looms begin transforming yarn into fabric. Warp and weft threads combine to create durable textile structures. For the first time, the fibers take the shape of fabric. The woven material moves steadily toward finishing operations.
Next, the fabric will be softened, refined, and transformed into material suitable for comfortable clothing.
Every roll of coconut fabric undergoes a detailed inspection before finishing begins.
High-speed optical systems detect even the smallest imperfections. Only flawless fabric advances to the next production stage.
The fabric is thoroughly washed to remove natural residues and prepare it for finishing.
Multiple washing cycles ensure exceptional cleanliness. Special finishing technology transforms the naturally strong fibers into remarkably soft fabric.
Controlled moisture improves flexibility and enhances comfort. Precision rollers prepare the fabric for final drying. Advanced drying technology protects the fabric's strength and softness. Computer-controlled temperatures guarantee consistent drying. Now the fabric is ready for its final surface refinement.
Calendaring creates a smooth texture and professional appearance.
The finished fabric is carefully rolled for garment production. Each garment is folded with consistent precision.
Automated storage systems organize the finished fabric for continuous manufacturing.
The journey continues as the fabric enters the clothing production line.
Digital cutting technology produces perfectly accurate clothing components. Every fabric piece is automatically sorted for assembly. The individual fabric pieces now begin taking the shape of clothing. Robotic sewing systems create strong, consistent seams. Automation allows thousands of garments to be produced every hour. Every section is assembled with remarkable accuracy. Precision engineering ensures every garment has a flawless finish. Automated fastening systems complete the garments with exceptional consistency. Branding and identification are applied automatically. Excess threads are removed to achieve a clean, professional appearance. Steam finishing removes wrinkles and perfects every garment.
Artificial intelligence performs the final quality inspection.
Only garments meeting strict quality requirements continue. After an incredible factory journey, coconut fiber is transformed into premium men's shirts available in a wide range of stylish colors and designs. The finished shirts are produced in countless colors and prepared for customers around the world, combining sustainability with everyday comfort.
What began as discarded coconut husks has become premium, eco-friendly clothing through advanced manufacturing.